Welcome to Sangvi Childcare Center. Let's see the part 1, the toys that a newborn till 12 months of age can play.
Every child is developing as per his own pace and time. Play is such a crucial element of all children's life. If you gift children toys which are developmentally appropriate, then you are sorted, as you are helping that tiny minds to develop and enhance their senses. Certain pointers. Point number 1. When you go to buy toys and if you are tempted to buy a lot of toys, it is not necessary. Researchers say lesser the toys, the better it is. 2. When the child is playing with the toy, there has to be combination of guided and free play. Guided is when you are giving specific instructions to the child. Free play when the child is taking the lead. Third, it is a myth that expensive toys are better. Fourth, by the means of toys, we are inculcating sitting endurance in your children. So, keeping this in mind, let's see what are some important toys that you shouldn't miss out for the first year of the child's life. In the first 3 months of the baby's life, the child is just exploring the environment. The vision is blurry, so it is suggested to give certain contrasting colors toys to the children. The best over here is to introduce mobile hangings. Mobile hangings are the toys which you can hang on the cradle, crib, or you can simply tie on a rope or a ribbon and tie from one end to the other. The child would love looking at it. In fact, if you wish to paint certain things, you can paint it and put it on the wall where the child is sleeping, so as soon as he's awake, he would stare at those paintings as well. I remember my daughter used to love those paintings which were stuck to the wall, and 2 of the paintings were her favorite. Rattles. Then the third one is black and white stimulating cards. You can Google about it. They are easily available online stores, or you can make one at home. Please see how the instructions in terms of how to make, it's very simple and it has its own benefits. Next is when your child is developing, you will see that gradually they would like to explore all the 5 senses. That is when we say that give them things which are safe, so that even if they put it in mouth, it is non-toxic to them. So, when the child starts lying down on the tummy, you can give them play mat, tummy time books. Tummy time books are those books which open up like a dome and the child can see on all the 4 sides of the book. They are the best books for a child who can lie down on the tummy. Why play mat? Because it's not necessary that the child is always on the soft cushion or bed. It is important that your child gets exposure to the floor and nothing like bright and colorful play mat, because when the child is growing up, they will eventually learn a lot of things with the medium of that mat. Play gym. Play gym is something which you can introduce when the child is around 3 to 4 months itself. The child would love to see the things which are hanging over it. Gradually you will see that the child will start grabbing the things which are hanging, the child will start kicking the things which are hanging over there. I have seen it with my own daughter and she had a gala time on the play gym. Balls are something that you should introduce to your child when the child starts sitting at around 6 to 7 months of age. Give them soft textured balls, gradually moving towards bouncy balls, little bit bouncy, and see the fun the way they roll it. Next is introducing certain soft toys in terms of soft animals, soft dolls, and books. If you are somebody who wants your child to read in future, especially storybooks, then 5 months you should give certain books. If you are selecting books to your children, you should see to it that they have bright pictures and you can make some home production stories. And songs. Song should be an important element of your child's life. Don't forget about it. Sing songs, lullabies, mantras. You can sing any bhajans or you can sing rhymes, whatever you enjoy. Don't show them mobile or TV, rather sing for them. Worst come worst, you can play some song on the Bluetooth speaker or a mobile with a low volume. But singing is best of all. So introduce music to your child at this age. After this comes the second year.
Do see the next video to see what all activities can you do once the child crosses 1 year. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.